what is the difference between the keto diet and a low carb diet? So they're coming across all kinds of information on the internet, and they're just not sure what the difference is. And you could even bring that into versus Atkins.
Right. So a keto diet, at the basis, the most basic way to explain it is a keto diet is any way of eating that puts your body into a state of ketosis. It is not a certain set of foods or really anything else. It's a diet that puts you into ketosis. Typically, that has to be a low carb diet, or what we might even say a very low carb diet. A low carb diet could be described as somewhere around 80 to 100 grams of carbohydrates a day. Now that's low compared to the standard American diet.
Yes.
Quite a bit. Like standard American diet's probably closer to 300 grams of carbohydrates a day. So 100 compared to 300 is very low. But it's not enough to get you into ketosis. So it is not a ketogenic diet. So now within the ketogenic diet, there is a broad spectrum of diets. There's everything from therapeutic diets that are designed to stop seizures to what they call dirty keto, like where I'm going to Hardee's every day and getting a double-loaded omelet.
Fast food keto.
Fast food keto, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, so with the keto diet, our goal is to reduce inflammation, right? To normalize the blood sugars. The keto diet is excellent for people with metabolic disorders of all types. So you're looking at reducing the insulin load as much as we possibly can to increase our insulin sensitivity.
Yes. So, that insulin maintenance is probably one of the most important things that we get out of being in ketosis. It helps you stabilize your glucose levels. It helps you manage like the water in your body. And because of all that, the weight comes off really, really easily. But, the main thing we're doing is managing really low levels of insulin and making ourselves more insulin sensitive, which just has really, really amazing knock-on effects for building muscle and combating inflammation and, heading off lifestyle diseases like, diabetes or cardiovascular disease.